Hello. Hello students. Today we have to study the transition and the inner transition elements. Initially we are going towards transition elements. These transition elements are belongs to the D block in the periodic table. D block element, that is the element whose last distribution the electron is enters into the orbital is called as the D block elements. Transition elements are belong to D blocks. The transition metal atom having a n minus 1 d orbital is partially filled. That is, transition metal or transition element atoms having a d orbital is partially filled, and they exhibit the properties between s block element and the p block element. That is, the transition elements are placed or found in the D block. The D block elements are present between S and the P block elements. Transition elements consist 4 series, 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. In a transition elements, each series consists 10 elements. Actually, these elements are found in 3rd to 12th group in the periodic table. In the periodic table. And this element contains incomplete n minus 1d orbitals. N minus 1d orbital, that is second to last orbitals. All these elements, all these transition elements having partially filled or incomplete n minus 1d orbitals. So these elements are found in 3rd to 12th group in the periodic table, and they are placed in 4th to 7th period in the periodic table. These transition elements consist 4 series, 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. In the 3D series, principal quantum number is 3. That is, whose last differentiating electron is enters into 3D orbital. In a 4D series, the principal quantum number 4, that is, all these elements of the last differentiating electron enters into 4D orbital. Similarly, in 5D series, the transition elements of the last differentiating electron enters into 5D orbitals, and here last differentiating electron is enters in a 6D orbitals. That is, these 4 series, 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D series are placed between S block and P block element. They exhibit the properties between these transition element exhibits properties between S and P block elements. All these series consist 10 elements. series also contain 10 elements, starting from deuterium and end with cadmium. Deuterium to cadmium. Similarly, 5D series also consists 10 elements, starting from lanthanum and end with mercury. 6D series also contain 10 elements, starting from actinium and end with curium. So all these four series, 3D series, 4D series, 5D series, 6D series, all these series contains 10 elements. That is, each series contains 10 elements. All these elements having the last differentiating electron is enters into d orbitals. Therefore, it is called as a d block element. That is, transition elements are found in d block. In the modern periodic table, all these elements over the last differentiating electron is enters into d orbitals. Therefore, these elements are called as d block elements. Then, initially we are going towards 3D series. 3D series. That is, the element with the last differentiating electron is enters into 3D orbital. All these elements are included in 3D series. 3D series consist 10 elements, that is starting from scandium and end with zinc. It consists 10 elements. In short, the position of a 3D series in the periodic table. The 3D series are these 10 elements, that is from scandium to zinc. They are placed in 3rd to 12th group in the periodic table and 4th to 7th period in the periodic table. That is, these 10 elements are placed between S and P block element. They show gradually change in their physical properties from S block element to P block element. So the question may be, give the position of 3D series in the periodic table. We know 3D series, these elements are placed in d orbitals. These elements are found in d orbitals. These elements are placed in 3rd to 12th group and 4th to 7th grade in the periodic table. So, position in periodic table. Position in a periodic table. Position in periodic table. The 3D series elements. 3D series consists of 10 elements. That is starting from scandium and end with zinc. These 10 elements are placed in the 3rd to 12th group in the periodic table. 3rd to 12th group in the periodic table, and 4th in the periodic table. In short, these elements are placed between S and P block. These elements are placed between S and P block element. They show gradually change. They show gradual change in their physical properties as we move from S block element to P block element. In short, 3D series consists 10 elements starting from scandium and end with zinc. These elements are placed in 3rd to 12th group and 4th to 7th period in the periodic table. Then we are going towards electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of a transition element. Electronic configuration of 3D series. That is in 3D series, all elements with large differentiating electron is enters into 3D orbital. So these elements are placed in 3D series. The next point, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means distribution of electron in a various orbital. It's called as electronic configuration. As 3D series consists 10 elements starting from scandium and end with zinc. In a 3D series, first element is scandium, it's small Sc, and end with zinc, symbol Zn. All these elements with the large difference in electron is enters in the 3D orbitals. Therefore, these elements are called as a 3D series. These elements are called as the D block elements. But argon is inert gas element. Its atomic number is 18. It is also called as noble gas element or rare gas element. It contains 8 electrons in their valence side. It is more stable. Argon is inert element, but it is preceding to 3D series. It is preceding to 3D series. The atomic number of argon is 18. So its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3p0. Atomic number of argon is 18. It contains 18 electrons. The distribution of 18 electrons in a different orbital is called as electronic configuration. The total number of electrons 6, 8, then 14, 16 and 18. The distribution of electron in various orbitals is called as electronic configuration. That is who the last differentiating electron is enters into P orbital, therefore it is P block element. It contains 8 electrons in their valence side, outermost side. So it is stable. It is inert. It is also known as a noble gas element. orbital is empty. So orgon is the preceding element of 3D series. Then we are going towards calcium. Then we are going towards calcium. The atomic number of calcium is 20. It is metal. It is placed in fourth period in the periodic table. All these elements in 3D series are placed in fourth period in the periodic table. It is the position of transition elements in periodic table. These transition series, that is 3D series, 4D series, 5D series, 6D series, these four series are placed in third to 12th group and fourth to 7th period in the periodic table. But actually 3D series is found in fourth period in the periodic table. So calcium is S block element. For the last representing electron is enters into S orbital. It is placed in the fourth period. Like 3D series, calcium is also placed in fourth period in the periodic table. Its atomic number is 20. Therefore, the electronic configuration of calcium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d0, 4s2. In short, calcium whose last representing electron is enters into S orbital. So it is called as S block element. Calcium is found in S block element. Here electrons, these two electrons, last two electrons are enters into 4s orbitals. Are enters into 4s orbital. Here principal quantum number is 4. In its electronic configuration, 3D orbital is empty. The electronic configuration of calcium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d0 and then 4s2. In calcium also 3D orbital is empty. 3D orbital is vacant. Last two electrons are enters into 4s orbital. That is enters into next orbit. The reason may be the energy of 4s orbital is less than that of 3D orbital. Therefore, the last two electrons are enters into 4s orbitals, and therefore its electronic configuration as it is. Argon is the preceding element of 3D series. It contains empty 3D orbitals. Calcium is S block element and placed in fourth period in the periodic also contain empty 3d orbital. Its atomic number is 20. But the 21st electron of scandium is enters into 3d orbital. The atomic number of scandium is 21. Atomic number of calcium is 20. But due to the energy of 4s orbital is less than that of 3d orbitals, the last two electrons are enters into 4s orbital. The capacity of s orbital is of 2 electrons. It is completely filled up. So, the 21st electron of scandium is enters into 3d orbital. Therefore, the electronic configuration of scandium, it is first element in a 3d series. Maybe 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d1 and 4s2. That is the 21st electron of scandium is enters into 3d orbital. So the d orbital, 3d orbital is successively filled up in each element. That is from scandium to zinc. Therefore, the general electronic configuration of a 3d series may be general electronic configuration of 3d series. 3d series may be argon. Atomic number of argon is 18. It is preceding the element of 3d series. The electronic configuration as it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. That is, the electron is enters into the orbitals in 3d series. That is, 3d orbital is successively filled up in each element. As we move from top to bottom, as we move from scandium to zinc, therefore, the general electronic configuration of a 3d series argon 3d 1 2 10 4s2. That is, 3d orbital is successively filled in each element. So, we are going towards the electronic configuration of a 3d series. 3d series consists 10 elements starting from scandium and end with zinc. Listen carefully. The general electronic configuration of 3d series may be argon 3d 1 to 10 4s2. That is, the filling of 3d orbitals takes place successively in each element. As it contains 10 elements, 3d series consists 10 elements starting from zinc and starting from scandium and end with zinc. 3d series 10th element in 3D series is zinc. Its symbol is Zn. That is 3D series is starting from scandium and end with zinc. Electronic configuration. The distribution of electron in a various orbital is called as electronic configuration. The 21st electron of scandium is enters into 3D orbitals. The 3D orbital is successively filled in each element. So, the electronic configuration of 3D series may be number 1 element, then its symbol, expected electronic configuration, and observed electronic configuration As 3D series consists of 10 elements starting from scandium, its symbol Sc, atomic number 21. Then second element titanium, atomic number 22, symbol Ti. Vanadium, symbol V, its atomic number 23. Fourth element in 3D series, chromium, symbol Cr, its atomic number is 24. Then fifth, manganese, symbol Mn, atomic number 25. Then iron, symbol Fe, its atomic number is 26. Then cobalt, symbol Co, atomic number 21. Then nickel, symbol Ni, atomic number 28. Cobalt, nickel. Then ninth element in 3D series, copper, symbol Cu, atomic number 29. Then last element in a 3D series is zinc, symbol Zn, atomic number 30. As we move from top to bottom in the same group, atomic number is increased by 1 units. So, the filling of electron in a n-1d orbital is successively in each element. So, the general electronic configuration of 3D series may be around 3d 1 to 10 4s2. Expected electronic configuration of scandium may be around 3d1 4s2. Then titanium 3d2 4s2. Then vanadium 3d3 4s2. Chromium 3d4 4s2. Then manganese 3d5 4s2. Then iron 3d6 4s2. Then cobalt 3d7 4s2. Then nickel 3d8 4s2, copper 3d9 4s2, and zinc 3d10 4s2. Iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. That is all these elements. That is the n minus 1d orbital is successively filled in each element. So the expected electronic configuration of a 3D series as it is, but in observed electronic configuration, the electronic configuration may be orgon 3d1 4s2, orgon 3d2 4s2, then vanadium 3d3 4s2, then chromium 3d5 4s1, then manganese 3d5 4s2, then iron 3d6 4s2, then cobalt 3d7 4s2, then nickel 3d8 4s2, then copper 3d10 4s1, then zinc 3d10 4s2. In the above electronic configuration, zinc shows +2. Zinc shows +2 as a stable electronic configuration. Having the 3D orbital is completely filled, so it is not regarded as a transition element. Similarly, the last element in 4D and the 5D series, that is cadmium and mercury, are not considered as a transition element, having a d orbital is completely filled. But here, the expected electronic configuration of copper is 3d10 4s1. But in +2 oxidation state of copper, +2 oxidation state of copper, 3d orbital is partially filled, and therefore copper is transition element. So in expected electronic configurations, there some irregularities are shown here. In expected electronic configuration, 4s electron is enters into 3d orbitals. So the expected electronic configuration of chromium is orgon 3d5 4s1. As the element with the d orbital is half filled or completely filled, they are more stable. So zinc must shows +2 as a stable oxidation state. It is not a transition element. In a zinc, the 3d orbital is completely filled. Therefore, it is not regarded